Qingte Group was founded in 1958 as a leading brand in commercial vehicle axles and the special vehicle field. Qingte always dedicates to providing comprehensive and specialized product solutions for customers. Navigates the innovation and advance of the intra-industry technologies, product and management modes, and makes contributions to the development of auto industry in China. Qingte Group is working hard to continuously create sustainable values by virtue of accumulation in industry for over half a century, diversified operation modes, and a forward-looking perspective, and to calmly face infinite challenges in auto industry, real estate development, international trade and engineering construction, etc. The strength of Qingte is built up since we provide fully satisfying customized solutions, conduct specialized system scheme design, explore and seek to get hundreds of patents in technical field, as well as renovate continuously the management mode. Even till now, we are still unceasingly making breakthroughs to create more and more added values for the customers. Every piece of a product represents the essence of thought of the Qingte R&D team made up of over 300 experts and a rigid pursuit of more than 3,000 Qingte staff. At present, Qingte has established a National Certified Enterprise Technology Center, a postdoctoral program, and a National Certified Center Laboratory, and keeps long-term cooperation with multiple institutions of higher education and scientific research institutions, forming an alliance integrating production, study and research cooperation, decision-making consultation and talent cultivation. Thanks to exquisite technologies we have, the high-grade, precision and advanced equipment starts working. We adhere to strict supervision on the entire production process and seek for ever greater perfection. In the meantime, the automatic, information-based and recycling production mode greatly contribute to the green production of the whole process. We try to produce more pragmatic, more effective products with the performance and main technical indicators over the national standard. You and your customers will benefit greatly from the full-scale product system and excellent quality we provide. Every smiling face tells the story how we are always tough on ourselves. We regard quality as the most important element of management in the development process of the company. We take a lead to establish an information-based quality control system in the auto industry and make use of stringent and effective performance excellence management mode to allow the strict quality control system to be implemented throughout every step of design and production. Help Qingte brand be highly recognized in the market and promote to keep the strategic cooperation relationship with Fortin Daimler and FAW Jiefang Automotive, etc. The 4-in-1 marketing mix network of Qingte has reached the whole China. The international trade spreads the 5 continents all over the world. We take a lead to provide a perfect service system. The 24-hour service hotline, which makes its debut in the auto industry, is available day and night, wholeheartedly and reliably for your service. Qingte Group can't grow without the care from the leading cadres of all levels and the support from all sectors of society. We are always grateful for what we gain from the profit we make and fulfill our social responsibility and spare no effort to repay the society. In recent years, we have donated more than RMB 20 million to support the public welfare establishments, including education, old age care, and poverty alleviation. The spirit to seek for excellent quality is derived from the persistence in our undertaking. Qingte is always there for the sake of customers. Qingte culture, respectful, faithful, studious, innovative is a powerful force in our heart of hearts and also inherent character and moral of our staff. Every step of growth is always supported by this culture. Qingte persons will shoulder the industry mission with endless enthusiasm and innovation and unite as one to help Qingte become the world-class commercial vehicle axles and special vehicle supplier. Let's join hands to create a bright future. Qingte Auto, care everywhere.